Hello, I'm Brad Fuller, alongside my colleague Peter Orenstein. We're here with GarageBand for iPad to see if we can make a hot hit with just an iPad. GarageBand is amazing at working in sections, and so what we noticed over the years is when we start with students and say, go make something up, they end up making a 5-minute long piece of through-composed material. The idea is inspired by Triple J's Hottest 100, and it's the student's job to create something that is worthy of being crowned the hottest 101st song of the year.
We're also keen to find a piece with lots of repetition, to drive home the point that there's no need to keep making up new material. You can take one idea, duplicate it, make minor tweaks, and suddenly you have the beginnings of a great piece of music. If you're in this course, you've likely seen and used GarageBand for iPad, but we hope to give you the inside knowledge to make things easier. We've designed the course so you can have ongoing access to the resources to use in whatever learning management system your school utilizes.
Students will often just hit record and walk away. Done. But something that we encourage is the process of refining the first draft and emphasizing that often what we hear on the record is a result of going through an extensive revision process.
If you think about how many different forms of notation we've dealt with on our iPad screen today, we've seen about half a dozen different notation types.
We've selected the number one song from 2020 to be our stimulus, Heat Waves by Glass Animals. So, out of Heat Waves, we get the impetus to get into the top 101, and we get a guide for how to write the 101st hottest song, aka a hot hit.